My name is Dhananjay Mantegna. I'm an electrical engineer graduating this spring 2012. I'm working in senior design with fellow members Suleiman Ba, Abel Bariva, and Namnor Okafor. So with over 1.6 billion people in the world without power, we need scalable solutions that are inexpensive and effective to increase the global standard of living. Such a design needs parts that are available anywhere in the world and simple enough to where anybody can use it. Our design is a bike generator with a smart battery to provide off-grid power to developing countries.
Yeah, this is a really exciting project for all of us because we're all from developing countries. I'm from Guinea, in the west coast of Africa. I've lived here for like over a decade, and I remember back home sometimes we didn't have power, TV's out, not even, light is on, so you can't really do much. You just have to sit in the house and entertain each other, which is not always easy, but you get through it.
I didn't grow up in an environment that didn't have electricity, but I saw people that did have the opportunity to get electricity. And for me, it was like, okay, I'm gonna be an electrical engineer for reasons. I wanna find new renewable energy, and I want people to have electricity.
Because we started working this during the fall semester, we ordered all the parts that we needed. We found an exercise bike, relatively cheap. We ordered all the components for our circuits that are going to be pretty important for the smart battery part of our project. And right now we're working on the circuit design, figuring out the mechanical aspects of the battery and how to connect it properly to the DC motor to get proper generation and power our battery. And we're also working on a portable box where all the circuits will go, and there will be an easy user interface to where anywhere, when we distribute this, anybody in the world would be able to understand it and be able to use it.
Well, growing up, I didn't have power like ever. It was not like constant power, but I did have power most of the time. But it was also an inspiration for me to take that situation and try to see what I could make out of it being an electrical engineer. And other things for me, I've always been interested in renewable sources and power. All my classes have been power. I've taken a couple. My minor is a sustainable engineer, technology. So I basically just I feel like this is a good starting point, starting for me in the field, and it's like solving the problem with the condition and getting a solution. It's like a good practice, I guess, for me.
To build something like this, and then when you're done, you can see the end results. You know where it's gonna be implemented, and then it's just like touching because you've accomplished something in the world, and I think that's big.
It would be nice to get. We just want to get the project out there, get the word out, and hopefully get a few business cards because we're all engineers. So we're looking to get a job in the field, and hopefully somebody that's interested in this. Or any companies that want to implement this technology. Also, it would be really nice to get input from the UD campus and the community. We're going to have a page. People could go on there, post comments, and we just want to hear what people think and give feedback, hopefully to make the project better.